Hello, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to this channel again. Okay, so this afternoon I'm in Seminyak area since I have a request to drive around Easy Hotel in Seminyak. So today I will drive you around here and let's see the situations around at Jalan Kayu Ayah, and later I think I will drive you at Jalan Peti Tengah, yeah? So let's go and see together. Okay, so if you go there, that is the Drupadi Street, and it will lead us to go to Jalan Champlung Tanduk, and this is Jalan Kayu Ayah, guys. Look at this. By this time, it's very quiet, yeah, I can say, yeah. It's good to drive by this time, yeah. It is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so maybe some of the guests, they're still at the beach. And if you come at night, it will be busy around in this area, guys, especially here. In front of us, this is the red carpet here, and they have the La Pavela, we call it. I forget the name. See, this is the red carpet, and live music will start around 6 o'clock. And here on the left side is the La Pavela. Also, they open at evening time, yeah. By this time, of course, there's no people there. But this is the goat bar, and there are a few people here at the goat bar by this time. And as you can see, all the businesses here are open, of course. A lot of shops as usual, spas. And look at this, they have big sales, 50% off. And we are getting closer to the Easy Hotel, yeah? But I don't know what happened in front of us. There's a huge traffic. I think because the car is stopping there, or maybe because of the taxi driver. They are getting their customers. And look at that, that is the Ultimo. It's a nice concept, isn't it? You can sit there, enjoy your drinks, talking, and enjoy the view. So here on the left side is the Easy Hotel Seminyak. So this is the hotel, how it looks like. I would love to go to the hotel, but of course they will not allow me to film that hotel. And they have bars here in front of the hotel. See, this is the bar, and that's also on the second floor. So this is what you will expect, yeah, if you stay around, or if you stay at Easy. And they have the restaurants also there. It's Soho Social, and here they have Circle K. And it's a nice location, yeah, if you don't mind with this kind of traffic, yeah. When you go out from your hotel, you will see a lot of restaurants. Basically, you can get everything from here in this area. This is kind of like center of Seminyak, I can say, yeah. Here they have the Italian restaurant, Italian job, and here they have the medical 24 hours. I hope you don't need any medical assistance, yeah, when you are on holiday, so you can enjoy. But I don't know what happened here, yeah? It's so bad traffic, cannot move. Okay, so let's go slowly. And here on the left side, this is the Nirvana bar. Look at this, there are some people there. It's a Pasha Hotel. Would you like to stay here in this hotel? This is how it looks like. And here, they have some food stations here. Looks nice. Okay, so finally the traffic is gone, which is good. So let's continue driving. Look at this. It's nice to see some tourists walking around, happy shopping, yeah. And this is Mikanya's restaurant. Of course, by this time it's quiet, but if you come at evening time or during dinner, it will be quite a lot of people, guys. And this is a new place, I think, but it's no business there yet. And here, if you go to the right, you will go to Jalan Kayu Jati, but this time I will just keep going straight, and that is the Seminyak Square. So they have branded shops there, and by the parking area they have kind of like market there where you can go for shopping. Anyway, shopping here in Seminyak, there are so many options, so you don't need to worry. Every corner they have shops or small market. Look at this, like here on the left side, they have so many things. This is nice shop, colorful, yeah, pinky. And here also, a lot of shops here. So, what do you think about this area? Would you like to stay at Seminyak area? Okay, so let's continue. And here they have a small Indian restaurant, yeah, Indian tandoor. And here there's a villa and another shop here. Look at this. Nice shop. And here is Casablanca Italian restaurants, guys. You like to go there? Okay, so here another shopping spot, yeah. So if you go to the left here, this is Kayu Aya Square. You can see, and when you walk passing by that gate, you will find a lot of shops as well. And like here outside, you can do shopping as well. Look at that, they have very nice stuff there, yeah. If you look for decoration for your house or villa, you can go there. But they have nice dresses also there. There is the Oboroi Beach Resort. Would you like to stay there? I think the price is quite expensive here. And this one, very famous restaurant, Kudeta. Always busy at Kudeta, even though the price is not cheap here. But the restaurant is good. You can see the sunset, nice food. Here is the Seminyak Beach Resort. It's a nice resort as well. So along this street, nothing much is happening here. As you can see, not a lot of businesses around in this area. And I can say this street is the quietest in Seminyak. Yeah? Okay, so let's continue. And here on the left side is the Samaya Luxury Beachfront Villas. And in the front, here is the Colony Hotel. So last time someone asked me about how is the Colony Hotel. They are doing good, yeah. They are here. They are open, of course, but the design is very good, yeah. It's kind of like a European design, I think. And here they have the Sea Circus. Last time they were closed, but now it's open. And here, if you go to the right, you will go to Mexicola. But let's keep driving here. Let's see a little bit more. And also I have request to see Taum Resort, yeah, so I will just drive to Taum Resort. I know last time Taum Resort was demolished, yeah, but let's see. Okay, so this is Jalan Petit Tengah, and as you can see here on the right side, this is the Dash Hotel. This hotel has been closed very long time, but now this is the situation. They have reopened not long ago. So hopefully they can survive and keep opening the hotel. So if you like to stay there for your next holiday, you may do so. And here, if you go to the left, this is the Potato Head, yeah? One of the famous beach club in Seminyak. here on the left side, this is the Shishi Beach Club. Of course, by this time still closed, yeah. But if you come at night, that will be busy. And here in the front is Gourmet Cafe with Tamanayu Hotel. And also here is Noah and Spice Mantra. Anyway, Spice Mantra, they have also one in Kuta, yeah? So they are everywhere. And one in Seminyak. I don't know if in Ubud they have Spice Mantra as well. But there are so many Indian restaurants. So if you love Indian food, you don't need to worry when you stay in Bali. Wherever you stay, I think there is Indian food. And here is the, what is this? New restaurant, yeah? Amici? How do you pronounce it? Amici or Amici? Okay, so here I will go to the right and I will drive a little bit at Town Resort since I have a request to see that as well. And this is Jalan Lebak Sari, yeah? And this area also you will find a lot of accommodation. And here is the Bodyworks Spa, yeah? This spa is quite famous, yeah? Before, if not mistaken, they are at Jalan Kayu Jati. But I think now they have moved here. And here is the Maka Villa. Will you stay here? It looks nice from outside. And look at this. There is a big project here on the left side. It's a hotel as well, but let's stop here for a while. Look at this. Whoa. Big project, yeah? I don't know what hotel it will be, but let's see in the future. I think it was the Town Resort sign, yeah, but it's gone now. Look at this. Wow, it's gone, yeah. No more hotel, and I don't see any people here. I will ask the guy. Yeah? So I've spoke with the gentleman here that I met. So he said that Town Resort will open. It's good news for you that if you like to stay here at Town Resort. And what I heard is they will build a restaurant here, but the rooms is still the same, yeah. So they just renovated, they just do renovations here, just on the front side. Okay, so that's all about this place. Okay everyone, that's all for today's video from this area in Seminyak. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.